Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Rafiki bin Rosli. My metric number is 14 DPM 18F 2013. And today, I will present to you about my industrial training. HQC Commerce was established on 11 August 2018. This company is located at Bandar Baru, Bangi, Selangor. The owner of this company is Datuk Haji Khairul Syaril bin Haji Hamzah. The vision of this company is to become a trusted organisation that able to deliver the said service effectively, efficiently and transparency. The mission of this company is to provide solution through our effective and efficient service for the betterment of the halal industry. This company provides professional halal consulting service in helping companies obtain JAKIM halal certificate. Next, the company provides digitalization service such as producing, designing websites and application. Other than that, the company also perform printing and graphic design service to suit the need of their client. Furthermore, the company conduct F&B operation by opening a Kai Place store with a coffee shop concept. Summary of industrial activities for week 1 until week 5. First, reporting to the company and having some briefings on rules and assignments. Second, maintain the social media account of Kai Place HQ company by making posts on Facebook and Instagram. Third, make an order for goods to the supplier and make a stock calculation when the goods have arrived from the supplier. 4. Make an invoice for each item taken from HQ. 5. Doing the accounting system, which is the MyYork system. For week 6 until week 10. First, performing the calculation of balance sheet for Nutraceutical Biotech Company. Second, perform summary salary for each employee of Nutraceutical Biotech Sdn Bhd. Third, make a Kai Place Payday Happy Hour, 30% discount for water, coffee and latte series. 4. Make a listing of the asset of the Halalan Quality Consultancy Company. 5. Fill in the data in the MyYork system recorded in the record journey entry for Nutraceutical Biotech Sdn Bhd. Next, week 11 until week 15. First, make regular posts 3 times a day using a phone or Facebook planner on a computer. Second, prepare payment for Nutraceutical Biotech Sdn Bhd. Third, create a license application form for anyone who want to open a new Kai Place branch. 4. Participate in iFood Expo Day which took place on 31st December 2021 until 2nd January 2022 at the Pavilion Bukit Jalil. 5. Visiting the job site together with the supervisor at Lalaport Bukit Bintang Center, Kuala Lumpur. Week 16 until week 20. First, review and update sales consultant for HQC Commerce Company throughout 2021. Second, provide overtime pay for factory workers Nutraceutical Biotech Sdn Bhd for December 2021. Third, record data for Nutraceutical Biotech Sdn Bhd for January 22 in MyYork system. 4. Updating HQC Commerce Company invoice on Google Drive for 2021 and 2022. And 5. Create personal information form for HQC Commerce Company employee. The first activities is post on social media using Facebook Planner. The first step is open Facebook and go to the business site section of the profile and click on the Planner section. After that, click the Create section in the upper right corner. Next, select the placement for the display material to be placed, whether you want to display it on Facebook or Instagram or both at once. After that, go to the writing section and write your sentences there. Next, insert a picture or video in the media section. After that, place the location if want to place it to tell about the location associated with the display. Finally, we can publish the display at that time or can choose a specific date and time for us to create the display. The second activity is record journal entry. I'm using MyYork Premier system to do it. So to use it, open MyYork system and select the company account we want to do. Once the MyYork system is open, go to the account section and click on the record journal entry section. Next, enter the date of the transaction and write a memo for the transaction. After that, select the type of account involved for the transaction and determine whether the account is in the debit or credit section and enter the relevant amount. Finally, after completing all these steps, click the record section to save the transaction information in the system. RHB Reflect is an RHB bank website that I used to do transaction related to the company. Among the preparation of company transaction that I do is prepare payment of employee salaries, making payment of raw materials, paying bills, and paying debt that the company have. So, to use it, the first step is enter the ID and password on the RHB Reflect website. After that, enter the secret passcode that can be obtained from the company RHB token. Next, we will select Corporate Front Office in the module section. After that, go to the payment section and click the domestic section. For transaction RHB to RHB bank, click intra-fund transfer. While for transaction from RHB to other bank, click instant transfer. Next, fill in the relevant information data in the space provided. Finally, after completing the information, I will enter the secret code from the RHB token to get confirmation to be able to proceed with the payment of the transaction. The finding that I get is able to increase self-confidence when dealing with the task given and know how to handle it properly. Next, I able to apply the knowledge I learned through executing skill in assignment provided by the firm. Lastly, I can able to complete a job or task given by a supervisor well and successfully. My suggestion for organization is organization must mentoring students from beginning to end so they doesn't take too long to learn it. Next, the organization need to increase the number of employees because there are a lot of work to be done and less manpower. Next, my suggestion for Polytechnic is Polytechnic must explain to the company about the scope so the company does not give unrelated work in excess. Polytechnic also need to be more caring and open-minded to student problems while undergoing industrial training. The conclusion of my industry training is industrial training should be continued as it serves to provide benefit to trainers. Furthermore, we can get a lot of useful experience, knowledge and exposure in industrial training. Lastly, industrial training make to learn how to communicate with superiors and related parties. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.